Today, we will work on our best trading strategy with our best TradingView indicator. We will keep improving ourselves day by day until we achieve great trading skills. As usual, we'll start from the weekly charts until the micro-minute time frames. If you are good to go, let's start now. This week I was mostly busy and it was also not a great week. Most charts were really ugly and there were no great setups at all. However, it was until today with UMA coin. As you will see, if you wait for the right days and the right setups, things just work great. Let's start our top-down analysis with the weekly chart. As you can see from the weekly, we are in this crazy rally with this coin. It all started with the weekly liquidity sweep. But as a scalper, we are more interested in the most recent price action. We already know about the rally, but now we have a very close target here. As you can see, the previous week high. This gives us the first bias idea. When we move down to the daily chart, things get more interesting. Price sweeps the previous daily low and rallying towards weekly high and also previous day high. These are all classic smart money movements that I teach in the masterclass. Moreover, we have this interesting daily imbalance here. It is between working and failing conditions, but somehow it keeps holding the price. So buyers have a high interest in this coin. It is time to check our best indicator, the ICT high time frame candles. With the power of this indicator, I can point out the best entry areas possible. An entry place that can possibly carry me towards my bias. As you can see, the price taps the 4 different imbalances here and it is supercharging. 30-minute imbalance, 45-minute imbalance, 1 and 2 hours imbalances. Now, what do I have here? I have my bias and now I have my entry zones. What is the next step? All I need to do is to go down into lower time frames and wait for the right entry. Remember, waiting and being patient is the key here. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart and discuss further. First of all, what is the importance of this yellow area? Yes, it is where the price supercharges with high time frame imbalances. It is magically at the area of support and resistance flip with an inner imbalance. If you check again, Momentum Masterclass entry models, you will see the 100% the same example. Then structure breaks with this gigantic imbalance and gives your entry chance. Now, let's discuss the targets and stop loss positions here. First of all, these inner equal highs here, your first and your main target. Remember, carrying the price until weekly or daily high is not ideal. Price can chop us a lot before reaching those targets. This is your safe setup with a 1.5 hour target, a compact and a nice setup with the stop loss under the swing point. If you want more adrenaline and get excited, you can set your stop under the imbalance. This will give you the 3-hour setup, but a little bit dangerous setup. The choice is yours. Once you take out the large portion of your profits, the rest is just fun trading. You can leave like 10-20% of your positions in until the weekly or daily high above as for your runners. This can provide you with an extra cash. Okay folks, I hope all of you are doing really great. This is it for the day, and see you next time.